XTREME Technology. Insulated lid and extra wall insulation keep ice up to 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. High capacity. Holds up to 95 cans. Heavy-duty wheels. Effortless rolling over any terrain. Have a seat lid. Closed lid supports up to 250 lb. Cup holders. Molded into the lid to keep drinks close and prevent spilling. Low CO2 insulation for reduced carbon emissions from foam manufacturing. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Absolutely love this ice cooler. I fish for tunas, yellowtail, dorados, and many other saltwater fish. I need a large cooler that holds a large quantity of fish when I depart the sportfishing boat. This is the one. I love the 62 quarts capacity and that it keeps the fish very cold. I usually leave the fish in a slushy salt, water and ice mixture overnight before vacuum sealing and needed an ice cooler that would keep it very cold without freezing the fish. Again, this is the one. I love my cooler, it hasn't let me down yet. I give it a 10 thumbs up rating.